Someone out there you need to stop worrying. And I know you will find this message when you need it the most. You need to stop worrying. You're literally healing at this time. God has your back. It's a simple reminder here that everything that happened before was a training, was an initiation for you to face your deepest fear. This is how you became very strong. And now it's over. You do not have to worry. I keep hearing you do not have to worry. You do not have to worry. It's not because it happened that it will happen again. And it will touch your soul so deeply. Because I know what you've been through. Believe me, believe me. It's now that God is going to wrap it up, I'm hearing, just for you to trust. God now wants you to trust that it will never happen again, no matter what you've been through, no matter how painful it was. I'm talking abuse, child abuse, narcissistic parents, raped, humiliation, violence, physical, moral. I'm talking PTSD, extreme trauma. And it's so difficult for you to trust your current partner, or just trust that you will find someone that can actually take care of you. And I want you to know that God today sent me in your life to tell you that there is nothing to fear anymore. The person you share your life with is the right one. The one that you're going to meet is the one that is going to cherish you, not going to reproduce the same pattern, the same scenario, because you're healing. And because you're healing, you're offering the chance to your system, body system, to change the timeline, to cut the cord, to cut the loop. You have to know that you've been doing the work and that God saw your work. So now, I just want you to detach. And I want, for the first time in your life, to put your guards off. Because it's not because it happened that it will happen again. I'm going to chant something extremely powerful for you. And it's everything about divine polarity. 333 on the timer. Your power of manifestation is hiding on your divine polarity. Everything that is not allowing you to be fully aligned in your divine polarity is what's blocking your ascension and your manifestation. When you will be fully anchored in your divine feminine or divine masculine, you will manifest effortlessly. But again, because of traumas, it is very difficult for you to be fully aligned in your divine polarity. I'm praying that this chant is going to align more and more with this divine polarity. Big shout out to all, if you're watching this video, who gifted me this magnificent divine feminine, divine masculine. This is glass Libyan, desert glass Libyan for divine feminine polarity. And this is absolutely stunning. This is Scarab in Moldavite. This is like beyond, and this is masculine, okay? Regarding your trauma, trust that with your guides, they're going to regulate the amount of light you can actually receive now to reorganize your polarities and skia ascend, transmute the karma, transmute the pain, for your highest and best good and the highest and best good of the entire universe. God, Uriel, Gabriel, Raphael, Michael, Sun Su, Violet Flame, Alternate Master of Faith, Hathors, Sirenata, Igrio no 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 to, do na 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 te, do na 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 te. Thank you for being here. I'm going to open a portal of light. And absorb into this portal everything that is blocking your divine polarity to align. Trust Tio Odaramiatraya, trust Tio Tukuturukumadarayasa, trust Niotoro Uodoro Uamara, trust Wokomo Oto Uru no Wedere Kana Sarayanara Ah, trust Q Unutuku de Idere Yamaka. Divine Goddess Sekhmet is very present here, as she is the guardian of Osiris in the kingdom of the death, the underworld. Unlock yourself from this underworld. Confirmation. And believe me, she's so happy to be here today. You do not have to spend your entire life in this darkness. Believe me, you have the choice always. My goodness. If you want to dig deeper, you're unbreakable. I love you. If you want to dig deeper, check my website, guys. This is the time you wanna jump now on your highest timeline. You can contact me with my email address for a very specific one-on-one session. And otherwise, you have powerful codes, download and activation on my website. I am seriously talking twin flame, divine alignment, polarities. I got same like yesterday. This is crazy. Gift and talents bring abundance. I have your beauty is real. I'm talking to the realest soul out there. I have serendipity. So prepare for a very good meeting. I'm hearing like good time, right person. Understand your path. This is so beautiful. My God, it's coming back. It's the same like yesterday. It's crazy. Emperor, Empress. Like it's a big full, it's crazy. You're entering a healing phase and throat chakra. This is a validation for someone. This is crazy. I love you, and until next time, namaste.